Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and a What's in the Box with the NEOECO airbrush compressor kit. The good people at NEOECO asked me to do a couple of videos on how their amazing NEOECO airbrush is. This is a gravity feed airbrush that I got a while ago on Amazon for a unbelievably great price. I can't tell you right now exactly what it is. I'll put a link in the description to it though. But I love this airbrush and I've talked about it a few times, and they got a hold of me and said, hey, how about if you do a how-to airbrush video for everybody to see? And I said, great. So they said they'd send me out a few things, and believe it or not, they sent me this thing out. And let me open the box. Now I've already been in this thing 3 or 4 times because everybody knows I've been waiting for primer. But check this out. This is the compressor. It comes with a power pack that just plugs right into the wall, and then this part plugs in here. So let's plug it in. I'll pull my cord over here, do a quick plug in, power, and air control. They also, in this, I didn't show you, they gave 5 foot of air line. And if you remember from the unboxing of the airbrush, it came with a air separator. So with these air separators, the one thing you got to make sure is your Schrader valve is all the way out, because it can hang up. I've had that happen before. You'll know it when it does, because this will just continuously run. So let me screw this on. How about if I turn it off first? I'll screw this on. That's twice. Nice and tight. Now we'll turn it on. We'll set our Schrader to off. See how, and this shuts off. That means the Schrader valve is closed. This is the little air drain for your air separator. I have never had to drain my air separator on my big tank because my basement is pretty dry, and I just never collect any water in here. So let's check this out. Right now we have on and high. That'd be medium, and that would be low. So let's go back to high, and listen, it's not running. So it only runs when it needs to. So let's give it a hammer here. And sure enough, that thing is really quiet. Now it's going to drag across the table here a little bit because the cord's under tension to reach over to my zip line. But I'm telling you, that's high. Definitely a difference. That's medium. And that's low. And I can feel the difference on my hand. So this is really cool. And it sure feels like there's more than enough airflow to do what I need to do with it. But there's definitely a difference. It does come with an airbrush holder that just drops down into here. I'm not going to be using that because they also sent me this awesome cleaning pot that has a nice stand on it, nice sturdy stand that this will fit right in, and it'll hold it in place. And this, I'm right-handed. This is going to be on the left side of my table because of just the way my power is over there. This will be on the right side, so I'll just reach over, grab it, and go, and I won't have to cross over every time I go to do something. But there's the airbrush. Let's get over to the air booth. I will set all this up, and we'll do a video on how cool this works. I got high hopes. I really do. But anyhow, the NEOECO airbrush compressor kit. Let's see how it works.